Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57 and I am back with yet another review of a beautiful set of gel polishes. This particular one by iMethod Beauty. Here's the logo and check out this package in the box. It's got a good weight to it because there are 15 different colors in here. But then there's also a matte top coat included, a base coat, and a glossy top coat. I'm reading that off the back. But I wanted you to see this beautiful butterfly here. Check out the colors. Nice box, beautifully presented for a gift giving. I always do like that. I mean, why not? There's a lot of nail enthusiasts out there. And here, as you can see, iMethod gel polishes are 100% vegan, cruelty-free, and 9-free. Let me show you the back of the box here. It gives you, tells you what it's included in the box. Like I said, the 15 different colors. Your shiny and matte top coat base, step-by-step instructions, and well, you also have within the purchase you have 100% satisfaction customer service. Yes, they are very good with their customer service. For those interested, here are the ingredients. There are social media links for you to follow them and learn more about them. So let's go ahead. I'm going to open this up, this box, so you can see how they package this. Here they are. So they are three of these blocks of foam with all the bottles. So the bottles are these are 8 ml bottles. So they're not, I wouldn't say they're not that tiny one. And so the way they are labeled, each one has the stickers on the top giving you an idea of the color. Yes, these remind me of the Zoya bottles. Check them out. Nice and comfortable to work with. So like I said, 3 sets of these foam blocks, like I'm calling them. Let me put this box aside. So while the colors are 8 ml bottles, your clear gels for the application are full size. So these are, I'm gonna guess 10 ml. Yes, these are 10 ml bottles. So here's the back on how to contact them. This particular one this is the glossy top coat. Then we have the matte top coat on a very distinguished different color from the glossy, so you're able to tell them apart easily. This is the matte, is in the pink. And then you have the base. The base is for, you know, just before the color. Again, here you can tell them apart. Top coat, blue unicorn, base coat, pink unicorn. I like how they did that. And also included in the box, so let me show you. So this little card here where you have a buy one get one free iMethod promotion, and you have it says let us know your top 3 favorite colors and get buy one free. There's their contact information right there, and here's the instructions that they mention if you are new to applying. This is on the other side. If you are new to applying gel on your nails. And here shows the 2 different collections that they have. So this particular one that I have, these are the colors on this collection. This is the artist collection, is a different collection. The one that I'm going to show you is the For All Occasions collection. Okay, so here's a shot of all of them out. I'm going to go ahead, guys, and show you the consistency so you see the viscosity of what these gels are like. They're pretty much all the same. I'll go ahead and bring you closer. Oh, this particular one that I picked. Oh, I love this one. Okay, let me bring you closer. Okay, guys, I brought you as close as I can without this going blurry. Hopefully that's coming out clear. I love this. So this is a gold glitter. Actually, I call it more of a champagne color. And so it's got the super micro glitters in there that when you apply this on the nail, it goes on very solid, not sporadically, okay? Not like chunky, small chunks of glitter. This gives you really good full coverage. Applying it on its own, and I used it, so here I'm going to show you on my nails. I used it on my nails here for this little detail on my accent nail, my ring nail, and it was very easy to apply it with a fine brush to create that design right there. So this is, yeah, these are 3 colors that are from this collection that I decided to do this design. I did a gradient here. So there is a green in here, as you can see, and being March, we're close to St. Patrick's Day. That's why I chose the green to do this design. And this, believe it or not, is really not a white. It is, they call it a nude. If you look at it against white, it has somewhat of a very, like a bone color. So it's a good substitute for a white. So I'm going to go ahead and show you okay, I'll go ahead and pull one other color. So this one that I just pulled out is the 110 or 110. So you can have see the inside, you can get to see the brush and the viscosity of these gels. I really like this collection, beautiful colors, and I like, so what I'm going to do, I will show you while I'm doing the swatches, I will show you a couple of them so you can see how they apply. Then I'm going to concentrate and focus on just showing you the colors on my color wheel. For now, let me go ahead and show you the viscosity on the clear gels. I know that is important for some people. This is the base. So the base you can expect usually to be thinner than the top coats. So there it is. And let's see the matte top coat. I like these bottles, check them out. So a little kind of like an S shape in there, a little different. This one, the matte top coat, you can expect to be somewhat dull. It's not, you don't see it fully clear. And these dry in under 30 seconds. The polishes dry under 30 seconds on your LED or UV lamp. They're UV or LED curable. And no wiping. So it's a no wipe top coat for the matte and the glossy. This is the glossy top coat. Good viscosity there. Okay. And nice brushes. So I'm going to go ahead and let me show you the color wheel with all the colors. Okay guys, so there you saw me do the application on these 2 colors. I wanted you to get an idea for the formula on these 2 glitters, the gold and the silver. They're really good for lining and doing, yeah, like things like this where you draw with the colors. Those are really good for that because they're pretty solid. And so let me go around the color wheel here and show you all the colors. This is the white. Obviously, I only did one coat on this one because, you know, the tip already being white, it served as a good background. And hopefully so I also used their glossy and matte top coat. All the colors have the glossy top coat on this side right here, and then the matte on the opposite side. So you get an idea. And yes, I did the glitters too. So there, hopefully the camera is picking it up. So here's the white with the glossy and the matte, and there's this pretty gray. Here it is, glossy and then matte. And the nice thing about having those top coats, guys, is you automatically double your collection in the colors and with the combination like you can do with those. And here's the black. I really like this. Is a 2 coat, and the gray is also 2 coats. So here's glossy and the matte. The green has 2 coats. This is the green that I use on my design. It is glossy. I really like it in matte. It's very pretty. This gorgeous deep blue. It is almost translucent, so it does have a translucency to it. There it is in glossy and in matte. And this is a very light blue, so almost not quite a baby blue, but it's not a gray either compared to that. See, so it's a soft light blue. And here we have a deep, this is actually coming out red on the camera, but it's actually more like a maroon. It's got some browns in there. Then we have this deep, I call it like an orchid color. And I used this on a client. You're going to see a photo at the end where I incorporated this color in the design for her nails. There it's glossy and then matte. And I also combined it with this color for her design. There's this one. So this is a pink with a lilac undertone. Very pretty. And this one right here, hopefully see now you can tell the difference. My tip being white. And this is that nude color. That's the one that I combine on my nails with the green. See, so it's not a white. It has a very faint bone base to it, undertone under that. And this is a pretty brown, like an orangey brown with a glossy top coat, and then the matte. And this one I'm going to say it's a true red, very pretty red. And I will have to say this is one of my favorite colors here because it's kind of has it's like a guava color. Very pretty, not so much a coral or an orange, as almost, I'm calling it a guava color. It is in glossy and matte as well. Okay, so, and if I didn't mention it already, guys, this collection is available on Amazon. I will have a discount code where you can have a discount for, I forget what the discount is going to be, but you'll find that down in the description bar below, and I'll go ahead and scroll it at the bottom of the video as well. If you have any questions about any of these, please feel free to post them below, and I'll be happy to answer them. I would like to thank iMethod for sending me these beautiful gel polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed my video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.